I thought it was time for an automatic trunk release.
They come from everywhere to take the challenge. Great multiplier. My eyes adore you.
Do that to me one more time.
Hello guys, so what I did is I went onto YouTube, YouTube, and I looked up Model 3 trunk release. So there is these springs that you can get. Here it says 2-part Model 3 trunk release, and what these are springs. Now the springs go right on here on the shocks, on the struts, on here and on here, and then when you push it down, that depresses the spring, so when you release the trunk, bong, the trunk goes up. So here's the good news. This is what they look like, and to put it together, all you have to do is release these clips here. They're kind of like a C-clamp, one at the top, one at the bottom, and all you have to do is wiggle them. Once you popped it out with a small flathead screwdriver, then you can place these on there. So that's what I did yesterday, and as I was closing the trunk, it stopped about there. And I thought that was really weird, so I lifted it up and tried to figure out if I left some tools in the sort of gutter way here. And once again, I closed the trunk, and I want to say I didn't apply any kind of pressure, but look what I did. I popped, I don't know if you can tell from that angle, there you go. Look at that, somehow the trunk is now closed, and look at this panel gap. I must have bent something, because I don't know if you can, there you go, look at that. And the thing is, I didn't press down on it hard. I thought I was just pushing down to compress the spring, but I think what I did is that up here, I think I twisted that and I twisted this because it looks a little different. I mean, this up here is straight up and down. This is straight up and down, and this one has got a bend in it, and this is all wonky up here. So there you go. So a warning. Look at that. What an idiot. A warning is that if you do order those clips on eBay or Amazon, make sure when you put them in is that you press down very slowly. So what I've got to do now is that I made an appointment with the body shop with Tesla. I think what I might actually do is on Tuesday when they open is find out what the parts, well, what parts I needed. Yeah, this looks all bent to schmutz. But I might just order that part, a couple of $100, and then get the local body shop around here just to put them in, because I know that Tesla's gonna absolutely rape me on getting this fixed. Yeah, I was very disappointed with myself, very angry, because I don't know. Well, there you go. Don't do what I did. All right, cheers, bud.